Hi, my name is Ben Miles of Edwards Marshall. In this presentation we're looking at understanding financial statements, and in particular we're focusing on the cash flow statement. If I could just recap and the lessons learned from the first presentation. The balance sheet and the income statement are unique. The balance sheet produces a result on a particular day, one day only. The income statement is for a period. It looks backwards for a period of time. The majority of the items in respect of both of those statements have a level of subjectivity to them. You recall that we put crosses next to most items on both of those financial statements, meaning that someone had to make a call as to their value, that there is a level of subjectivity. However, there were two items in respect of these particular financial statements that we put a tick next to, and they related to cash, being cash and borrowings. And the important aspect of that point is this, is that they don't lie. Their value, cash is cash, ignoring foreign currency translation, but cash is cash. And what those two refer to is the cash flow statement. You'll recall that I showed a number of transactions that we could produce in respect of these two financial statements that made them look completely different in respect of profitability and the equity balance. We could improve them remarkably by a simple transaction or transactions. The important thing to recall or to remember is that in each of those transactions, neither of them had an impact on cash. They simply had an impact on the values that we already had crosses next to on both of the financial statements and produced a markedly better result. So that's why it's important to focus on the cash flow statement. The cash flow statement is essentially a summary of all of the debits and credits that have gone through the bank account or the loan accounts of a particular organisation. They are not subject to journal entries or entries, any type of entry that we can put through the balance sheet and the income statement.